Hey guys, what's going on? Chris here from Axle Advanced once again. We're going to be going over our next install guide, which we're going over both of our node pouches, which include the rifle and pistol variations of said pouches. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. It's the same thing as the Innocuous, minus the whole buckle thing. So you're going to be using these Eclipse straps or chalk if you're using the chalk belt. Those are separate ones. We'll go ahead and start with the pistol one itself. As you guys know, it can be mounted vertically or diagonally. Say we're going to be doing a diagonal mount. So set all these things aside. Take that out. Go ahead and get our hardware taken out. And just like the last time, we're going to go ahead and do a partial push-in. So we'll go ahead and take this right here. Let's remount it that way. So we'll go this hole. And once that's in, we'll go and push it partially back in. Bend that back. And like the Innocuous, you're going to put the washer in first before you send it in. So once that's in. And then for this one, it will line up with one of the three holes. In this case, it'll that one. And then we will take our magazine, Glock one right here, and go ahead and push it in. Get that nice adhesion right there. And now we'll put it on the belt. So just gonna grab our belt, gonna wrap it in. Take our screw, the first hole and the second hole, line it up to where you want it, and just push it down and start screwing in. And that's the pistol one. Okay, now we get the pistol pouch in, we're gonna go ahead and take care of the rifle pouch. So same thing as last time, grab your strap and your hardware, and we'll get going with the rifle. And this one we'll do vertical, show up the vertical installation. And as you see, the insert hole is on the opposite side at the bottom, so the launcher will be a little bit more finicky, but same process as last time. So just go ahead and insert the hole as such. Once that's in the tab, push it in, and line it up, and we'll go ahead and get rifle. So we oriented this way, and it should protrude the washer out to about right there. Lamp it over, take a screw, line it up, and just like that, your nodes have been installed. If you guys have any questions, be sure to shoot it down in the comments down below, as well as our support team is support@axleadvanced.com. As always, you guys have a good one. We'll see you next time.